We got really lucky today. You get to see a complete change in the Rocky Point recharge zone today as a result of the rains here, just for an hour and a half, not even. You can check the time. These are just going straight up onto the net, so whatever the time date stamp is, it's pretty much the last 2 seconds of whatever the video is. But this is really good. Really good. We needed this. Now, if we get some tonight, that would be real nice, but I don't see that. Looks like that came this way, moved that way. You can probably gather for yourselves, if you're watching this much of a nature video, that it's west right now, here in late summer. So that's east. So it was kind of a almost straight ahead moving east little storm that hit us. What did it do to the ones on the other side is a good question real quick. While we're here, I'm MTK, the Toctopus. This is the Rocky Point recharge zone, an area I've been studying for some time. Very excited right now because it's raining. Look at that. So that slope we were discussing, Days of All is running this way and it's sloping down like that and delivering water here. That's what this stuff is. The reservoirs at the Walmart and at the HEB behind all this and so on that run into the duct system, that parking lot there for all those business complexes have a duct behind it. All that's running in here. So the two different systems create a pretty good flow even when it's not a big rain. That's good to see. I'm really happy to see this. This is a big deal today, August 2nd, to get this amount of rain. It is surface rain. It's not worth a lot, but for the long term. But it's really great to see the motion of it that clearly, which I haven't been able to do before. We'll think more about this, and we'll all be able to analyze it better. You know, our environmental scientist friend will, and all of us can, but this is exciting because it shows depth. You know, that's not rainfall depth. That's my point. Because this is a ducted system here. The Rocky Point recharge zone. You got a great view today. I'm really happy about that. I'm MTK the Toctopus. This is the Rprz, the Rocky Point recharge zone. And MTK the Toctopus is a new vlogging channel, meaning I'm talking to you, YouTubers. You just call me MTK, you don't have to call me the Toctopus, but yeah, a lot of nature stuff is what's up.